Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make this spicy cheese spread. And when I say spicy, I mean it's very lightly spicy. We're going to add some pickled jalapeños and some pickled banana peppers. You could make it spicier if you wanted. Anyways, if you want to see the full recipe, it will be in the caption, and it's also going to be on the website, which I will link in the description box. So I've got some pepper jack cheese and some sharp cheddar cheese, and now I'm adding some green onions, and these are my chopped pickled jalapeños and bell peppers. If you wanted it hotter, you could do fresh jalapeños. You could also add some chili flakes. You could add some hot sauce and some cayenne pepper. It's very lightly spicy, and it's kind of only spicy if you get a bite of pepper in with this dip. So basically what I did was I took our pimento cheese recipe and I adapted this. So if you've ever made our hot pimento cheese, it's essentially the same recipe. Except for pimentos, I added these jalapeños and banana peppers. It was really, really great. This is perfect for a party because it's really easy to put together. You just serve it with some chips. I used some pita chips, and this was delicious. It was an absolute hit, and it was seriously so simple to put together. Now, I will say, my one recommendation, like my big tip for this, as well as for the pimento cheese recipe, is to use cheese that you have to shred yourself. Don't use the pre-shredded cheese. It will not taste as good. This is like the one time where I'm like, yeah, you want to shred the cheese yourself. But anyways, let me know if you try this recipe, and if you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes. And thanks for watching. Bye.